Welcome everybody. Today is the second lecture of the cerebrum. In the previous classes, I have told you that the brain is divided into three parts, that is the forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain is also divided into three parts, that is the olfactory lobe, cerebrum and diencephalon. And diencephalon, that is also divided into three parts, that is epithalamus, thalamus and hypothalamus. Today we will study about the cerebrum second lecture, and in that, this means today's lecture we will study about the cerebral area. This means cerebral area of brain. Okay, this means what is the area? That is, the area is the group of cytone in cerebral cortex. Area is the group of cytone in cerebral cortex. Okay, and this area is divided into three parts. That is the, this means area is of three types, that is the sensory area, motor area and association area. Okay, sensory area, motor area and association area. Sensory area, that means work of sensory area to sense anything, any information, work of sense. This means sensory area that receive information from body organ and part, receive information from body organ and part. Work of sensory area to receive information from body organ and body part. Okay, and work of motor area to send signal to muscle and gland for responses of the sensory area. Okay, this means sensory area receive information from body organ and part, that is what is happening in which place, what is happening. Okay, and motor area is send signal to muscle and gland for responses, such as one mosquito is sitting in our brain. Okay, then sensory area receive this information from this part, this body organ. Okay, this part of the brain, that a mosquito is sitting on our brain. Okay, after that, this motor area, this send signal to our hand, send signal to muscle and gland for responses to this brain. Say motor area that send signal to our muscle, this means our hand, to response, for response. What is the response? That my hand will respond that this mosquito is sitting here, and respond that we will pet that. So this is the response. This means sensory area receive information from body organ and part, and motor area send signal to muscle and gland for responses. And association area, that is neither sensory not motor. Okay, this is the association area, is neither sensory not motor. This association area are responsible for complex functions like intersensory association, memory and communication. Memory, what is the memory? Memory is on the basis of experience. Memory is also called experience. Okay, that is in the next class about the more. But today is now about the study about the association area. The association area are responsible for complex functions like intersensory associations, memory and communication. Okay, this means functions of association area is neither sensory nor motor. Function of association area is complex functions like intersensory association. Okay, one note about this, that communication between these areas, this is communication between sensory area, motor area and association area, is occur through nerve tract. Okay, Communication between these areas is occurs through nerve tract. Okay, a center may pure this area, this means center or area is may pure or mixed. This sensory area is pure. It's only one work to receive information from body organ and part. Motor area is also pure. It's work to send signal to muscle and gland for responses. But here association area is not pure. Association area is not pure. This is the mixed. This is the neither sensory nor motor. Okay. This is the mixed. The last point is saying that a center may pure or mixed have activity of more than one center. Okay.